Hakable P Baro, give dance of high P, Shakatuk Kubom, Taka Jan Mih, Weapon Pash, Kikubor, Bubnia, Petrike, Mat Bakongsan. Leave for down Narendra Modi FM transmitter, Hanongstone, but William Nagar. Yap way Nakajing COVID, Akajala, Obana West Guard Hills. Krishna Mission Vivekananda Cultural Center Gajing Dap Shispa Arpu Arsenam Gajing Wan Swami Vivekananda Shishla. But La Rakhe World Malaria Day 8,000 Arpulai Hastik Convention Center Shillong. Kikubor ki babnia. Minta kesngi lapli perda ya ki kendai pawai teli ki shispa wat ki radio transmitter da Menteri Rang Badu keri Narendra Modi hak keleng ki benta jong keri. Kumshi benta jong kani lapli perda ki sau teli ki transmitter hak than chete la mingi. Hajala Meghalaya kanong ston bat William Nagar layo ya ka shispa wat FM transmitter ka bethamai. Ka FM transmitter ka baha community radio station nong ston concentrate kam ha ka shispa pon iwe megahertz FM band kat ba ha William Nagar concentrate kam ka shispa pon khandai megahertz FM band. La penlong ya ka program ban lek men ya ka nikasngi ka ban sa jing kan ma community radio station nong ston ka blawan ban shim bentado MLA ka than iba Gabriel Watlang Additional Deputy Commissioner West Khasi Hills District iba Viswer kirang ba asnong jong kathan kinong tre kam sorkar kinong hikai ki khana school na lor kiwe ha William Nagar lapanlong ka program ha All India Radio William Nagar Menteri Rang Ba ka jalaw konrad ke sangma ulay simbanta kini ki program ling ba ka video conference natura.
Very happy that the Prime Minister had inaugurated the 91 FM especially for Nongstoin. Being a remote area so that they can get more clarity. And now with the most important is that through this FM radio, it is an upgrade edition, as to say. And it's a benefit, the clarity, and then the most benefit one is that we can even download it in mobile. So that is, it can share a lot of people, not like the old system where we have only the radio.
Ka Garo Hills kalalum ya ka kaipot ka baningkong ya ka jingyap na ka jingpang COVID hatura. Ha ka ba ubriu bala saupun rius nam ka erta ula klat no na ka jingpang ka badon ki dak kishin hinen kasngi ha West Garo Hills. Kat kum ka jingyo lum kubor. Uni ubriu la don ka jingshitom bandring minsiam bat jingkeshit ki balong ki dak kishin jong ka jingpang COVID ya ka bala le ka test bala lab ba ka long positive. Kementeri Ketenak Kuat Kekia ikong ampri lingdo ila ai jengkran ding ba ke press conference ban penbanai kini ke jingja bat ila kentu ki nong song snong ke jela ban long ki ba pikir na ki khatnyo ngot ki nong pang tang sao ngot ki don kam ya ke jingyo jing sumar ki hospital bat shim la don ki batia ICU ila pentip. Kementeri Ketenak Kuat Kekia kala kerpat ru ya ki pat ba kin bot kin don ya dan ke jingpang COVID kham tam ki jaka babun brio. Hakabe day bat kidawai inject booster dose ka menteri ka tenat ka kuat ka kia kala pentip ba ka sorkar pedeng kam shimla ayeki hindai ka sorkar jela kan ile akan pala ban penbiang ya kidawai.
Do not panic. Do not panic and don't feel panicked also. However, if you have the symptoms, then please take necessary precautions. This is what we're saying this time. At one point of time, every citizen was advised to take certain precautionary measures, wearing of mask and other things. But here we're saying that if you have a symptom or if you've come out from a place where there is high positivity rate, take those precautions so that the panic does not occur in and around the community.
Hakaski rakhe ka jingdap shispa arpu arsenem ka jingwan jong Swami Vivekananda shashilong la penlong ya ka jingle kemen ya kasngi seng jong Krishna Mission Vivekananda Cultural Center hinin kasngi haba ai jingkran hakani kasngi ulat ka jela u pagu chohan ula ai puram ya Swami Vivekananda kum unong prat lenti bashlur ubala penkelai ka jinglong jong kari Ubala penslur ya keri ban yang persyak ke nong sun. Bat ban pediang ke jeng long kerpang jongka. Ulat ke jela ulat pelat ru ya ke kot ke jeng syai. Bat IT ya ke kusna Vivekananda Award of Excellence ya uwai ni ke nong yo kusna ma ke jeng lang ke beningkong Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Cultural Center.
Honorable Governor and his colleagues, and
छोटे बड़े आगंतुक के रूप में भ्रमण करना कुछ समय कोई सरल कार्य नहीं था। भारत एक विविधताओं का देश है, जहां अलग इलाकों में मौसम, खान-पीन, रहन-सहन और अत्यंत अलग वेशभूषा संस्कृति के लिए जाना जाता है। फिर भी हम सभी एक परिवार की तरह एक दूसरे के लिए खड़े रहते हैं।
Ringkat bat kepertehi barok kowe. La rakhe ka World Malaria Day 8,000 hinin kesngia State Convention Center Shillong da ka office jong ka Mission Director National Health Mission ka Sarkar Meghalaya halor ka phang pedeng. Time to deliver zero malaria, invest, innovate, implement. Haba ai jengkrana kini ke program Kementeri Ketenat Kuat Kekiai Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo ilamat pang halor ke jengdon kamban penduk jat ya ke jengpang malaria da ka bahikai ki brio bikin long ki bapet ngor halor ke kamram jongki ha ka banyak kun ya ke ni ke jengpang ka besyirkai. Ikong Lingdo ila ongru ba ketenat kala shim ki lat ki lenti ban pentikna ba ka don ke jenghiar jong ke jengpang malaria na do usnam arajar khatsan tat adu menta.
And veterinary, muda, soil.
We are in agreement about one thing, and that is we have to get rid of malaria. So we must ensure that this occurrence of those 8 deaths doesn't increase, and I presume from the very detailed explanatory discussions that all of you have presented in this program today, it looks like you have everything under control, sir. So that's very, very important, and we appreciate it very highly.
Karai jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ban I Scheduled Tribe Certificate ya ki Khasi ki bapendon kam dakajat jong pa hakajaka jong ka kemi kala kalalong ka benta ka baklut hadien ba ka singkong rimpai thamai kala rai banet ujor shaying bishar persha ya kani karai jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Haka jingan lang Hashlong Press Club nin kasi President ka SRT uba Taybor Kongji ulaong baka khat sau trik urisa usnam 8,000 khat khandai ka SRT kala pha ka memorandum sha ka sarkar da ka baong ba shibon ki khasi ki blashim jat nau pa ki ba apply ka ST certificate ki la sha kan tho bat ha ka bayadai ba ka jing I certificate lapan slam de ki benai uba Kongji ulapan pauru ka jing song si ba ki khna ki bala kha Now ko pa ubom day Khasi bat ka kami pat ka Khasi kilayo ke ST certificate henrei ompat ya ki khna ki ba ki kami ki pa ki de ki Khasi henrei ki bala shim jat pat now ko pa.
So we have come here in the press conference to let the people know and to condemn the statement made by MDC Ilaka of the District Council and at the same time by the CEM, the District Council, through newspaper and social media on the 11/4/2023 and 24/4/2023. On the subject to deprive and deny ST certificate to the children who bears the father's title. We had taken legal advices from more than 3 to 4 lawyers, of which they also feel that whatever stretch we have taken, whatever measures the organization have taken through these memorandums, through the appeal, the government has given an order which is in line with us. And legally, we also stand solid. We stand valid and we stand legitimate.
Katanat Pulia Putih jong ke Sorkar Meghalaya ha kejing terelang bat ke National Law University. Kala penlong ke program pensapriang jingtip nak bentaki principal kinong hikai bat ki kena pulia jong ki Higher Secondary School Meghalaya. Ka National Law University Meghalaya ke National Law University ke baningkong ha ke jelah. Ya kini ke jaka puli la seng hapok ka jela ringkat ke jing temu ban kintiu ke rukom ai jing hikai ha ka liang ki an pat kelai ke Indian legal system ling ba ke jingwat benia bat ke policy intervention. Chief guest ha kini ke program ulong Chief Justice ke Meghalaya High Court Justice Sanjeev Banerjee Chief Justice ula batai benia syapang ke National Law University. Dangshen ke National Law University Meghalaya kelat Thung yo Professor Dr. Indrajit Dubey como Vice Chancellor Bening Kong Jongka. Ke National Law University Meghalaya kadai ke batmai do na pedeng baro ke National Law University. Kepala seng lingba ke National Law University Act 8000 RPR. Ha ka ba ondon shwa tang riu pongut ki kena pule ha ka sedang.
Test which will be conducted. This institution has come up with the greatest of cooperation and help from the state government. We've already had 2 governing council meetings, including the first which was jointly held with the Executive Council. We have prepared our budget. We will be completely transparent in how we function. Everything will be on the website. And today we have some firm timelines in place. Advertisements have already been published for the faculty. In due course, we will be putting out advertisements for recruiting staff.
Dapat ngepek ke jenglong jaman kesimbangan Shillong. Kejing set kelong 8.5 degree Celsius, kejing trap kelong 8.2 degree Celsius. Kejing sengam kau hau kelong, sampu anak kesispa ke pomens, tapi nyop sauna kesispa ke por janmet. Kala apa nak kejing hap slap ke bawah malu malaki kat tu kat ni kejaka. Sashi sempat ngipet ke mau pibi ni kubor jengi pila pen pet hia ke jok ke por ke YouTube channel bat pila ru pen pet ye ki kubor pam la ke sengi ke Facebook, Twitter, dan Instagram jong ke TT News Shillong. Syaban poisong buku jangtuk keboring pepiang sesian kemat berkongsan. Play perda Narendra Modi ke FM transmitter Hanong Steinbat William Nagar. Yap way na ka jingpang COVID ha jela ubana West Garo Hills. Kinma buram ka Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Cultural Center ke jingdap Shispa RPR Snem ke jingwan Uswami Vivekananda Shishla. Batla Raki ke World Malaria Day 8000 Apply Hastik Convention Center Shila. Ti perlok lagi tu kubor la pois ko ko jang tu kubor jim ta ke janmi hadu bini shambe pila shai ke si kuble pi baro.
अरे आइए आइए।
इतनी गर्मी में आप बिना एसी के? जरा एसी चलाइए, हमें भी ठंडी हवा का मजा लेने दीजिए।
भाई एसी हमें मजा नहीं सजा दे रहा है।
सजा?
हाँ, नया एसी आते ही खराब हो गया तो हुई ना सजा।
कंप्लेंट